Hi, I'm Robert, and you're watching Backyard Bodyworks. Hey guys, today is Monday, May the 6th, and last video we got the bonnet and the wheel wells in epoxy primer. And what we're going to start now is we're going to start putting the bonnet together and getting it ready to weld. I'm not going to say we're going to weld this video, although we might. Cliffhanger. We're going to do everything to get it prepped and ready for that process. So we're going to bring you along for the journey. Thanks for stopping by, and enjoy your stay. I didn't do any time lapse of cleaning these up, simply because of the fact that some of this stuff is boring, and I would rather show you guys the finished product versus just sit there watching. Ooh, gee, look at him work! Wow. Anywho, what we got done today is we're stripping off the valance, the lower valance. I'm trying to decide whether or not to replace this one here. This one's okay. It's got some damage on it, but that doesn't seem to be too hard to repair, I don't think. I'm not sure about this one because it's got a lot more damage than the other one. I did get the bonnet support rods close to being finished, and I'll probably finish those up tomorrow, and then we'll start fitting panels to the bonnet and getting that stuff ready to weld up. So thanks for stopping by, and we will see you guys tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Hi, welcome back to the shop. It's Tuesday, and we are going to start assembling. We're going to start the assembly of the we are going to start putting together the bonnet and start putting the fenders on and getting them ready to weld. Friends, that's going to conclude for today. I gotta get ready for work, get something to eat, blah blah blah. But I've gotten the fenders fitted as well as some other parts. I'm still having an issue in this corner here. I'm not really sure what's going on. It doesn't quite, it's not a tight fit, so I'll have to look and see about putting it on the car and trying to get it fitted before we weld it up. This side seems to be going together really well. I'm not really seeing any problems with that, but I'm having to put extra screws on this side to kind of hold it into place, and that's been since I welded this lip up. But I mean, it fits. I mean, the lines are really nice as far as fitting together. It's just a matter of making sure that everything else fits, as a unit, and that it all goes together like it should. So we will continue this tomorrow or the next day, depending how busy I am doing other things. seeing as how that I only have a few hours during the work week to do this. So continue to follow along, and we will continue on with this tomorrow or the next day. Hey everybody, today is Thursday, and what I'm going to be working on is the bonnet supports. And what I'm planning on doing, since I'm out of epoxy primer, is I've got some of the Rust-Oleum Performance Protective Enamel, and I can't remember if it would be okay underneath a two-step paint. I think it's fine. It should be fine. I'll find out when I paint it. But I'm planning on covering the bonnet supports, and then I'm going to paint the car like a metallic hunter green, and that's kind of close to the color that I'm going to paint it. So I'm going to use that in areas like this and up underneath here to make sure that I've got good rust coverage. So I'll probably spray some of that rust converter on it to make sure that the rust is sealed and converted, and then just spray this other stuff. So I'm going to be out here getting stuff ready to paint. So thanks for stopping by, and we will continue on. All right, everybody. I've gotten all the pieces that I need scraped off and or brushed, I should say, with a metal brush. And now I'm going to put some of that aircraft stripper on there and strip some more of that paint off, and some more of that, other stuff for those hard to reach places. I probably should get a soda blaster and do it, but just another piece of equipment to buy, and I'm just not really going to do that. So I'll just let the stripper do the job. I think it's going to wrap it up for today. So I got to take my sister to the VA tomorrow. So I probably won't get to work on it tomorrow until late in the afternoon. So I will see you guys then. Until then, take care. It is Friday. It's a little damp outside. It's been raining most of the day. Just got back from Asheville, and I swung by my dad's house. And picked up my A-frame so that we can pull the transmission and engine out at some point. And got my hoist and everything. It's a 3-ton hoist, and right now I'm just working on cleaning up these parts and getting them ready to spray them with some of that Rust-Oleum. And I don't think I'm going to spray the bolts. I'm just going to clean those, because eventually this is going to get painted the color of the car anyway. So I just got back, so I'm just kind of like trying to get my mind set as to what we're doing. Oh well, I'll figure it out. Thanks for stopping by, and you guys just follow along and watch what I come up with. Could be interesting. All right, we're back. I just finished cleaning and spraying the rust converter on the bonnet supports, and it seems to be working like crazy. It is doing what it's designed to do, and it's turning that stuff all sorts of colors as it works. So now the front valance supports, I'm working on them as well, but this is going to be a separate project, separate video, because I think what we're going to end up doing is we're probably going to end up replacing at least one of those valances, because it's in really bad shape. This one's eaten up right here, but I think that can be repaired. This one is in a little bit better shape, but it's eaten up on the end. I mean, each one of them has its own problems. I'm just debating whether or not just go ahead and replace both of them or replace one or the other. I'm not sure yet. I've got the bonnet together. It just needs to be welded. I got to punch my plug holes for this fender on this piece here, and then I'll be ready to weld it up. Maybe we'll do it tomorrow if it's a nice day. I don't know. What do you think? Yay? No? I know you guys are waiting for it. I'm waiting for it too. But I got to get the bonnet supports and all that done first. What's together now is what I want to weld first. We're getting there. Be patient. I know you guys are getting antsy. Me too. So stick close. We're going to continue on tomorrow. I also put the tap and die set to the bonnet support bolts and the valance bolts and clean them up because they were all kind of rusty and they needed to be rethreaded. And I retapped all the bolts, the nuts that the bolts go through it, as well as the bolts. So anyway, y'all have a great day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, one more thing. We decided to put the A-frame together to get it ready for engine removal eventually. And it seemed to go together pretty well. It looks pretty sturdy, feels sturdy. It holds the winch fairly well. And it's just going to be a matter of getting the engine out and the body out from underneath it. So what I'm probably going to do is reverse the car in here and just unbolt everything and then slide the car out from underneath it out that way, and then just lower the engine onto a pallet or a truck or something like that, or the trailer. I'll pull the trailer in here and then just set the engine on the trailer. That way I can take the engine somewhere else. All right, that looks good to me. Now I think I'm going to call it a day. It is 6 o'clock and I am hungry, and Body Helper is hungry, and she keeps eyeing me through the door. That look. You guys have seen it before, I know. We will continue this tomorrow, which will be Saturday. Y'all have a good night. Hi everybody, it is Saturday. It is the day before Mother's Day, so we've been spending a lot of the morning getting ready for dinner tonight because we're having all the mothers over today. But the boss has given me a window to do a little bit of work, so I got to clean up out here as well as do some priming on the bonnet supports. So it's a small, quick job. I'm going to go ahead and get those taken care of, and then we're going to call it a day. And then I got to work tomorrow night, so I doubt I'll do anything tomorrow. So I won't see you again until probably Monday. So I don't know if I'm going to call it a video yet until I see what we're going to do as far as the bonnet is concerned. Like I said before, that'll probably be another video at some point in the future. So we're going to go ahead and get that done. So thanks for stopping by, and we'll go ahead and get to it. Alright everybody, I think that's going to get it for today. I've got all the supports painted in a Rust-Oleum green. I'm pretty sure there's others that are going to be out there. You can't use Rust-Oleum. Probably not, which is my luck, but we'll find out, which is what this is all about. This is a learning experience. Got all the bonnet hardware taken care of. Like I said, this stuff right here is for the valances, which we will do on another video. Those still need to be cleaned and prepped. But now that I've got everything painted, I think we can put the bonnet together. Start welding it maybe? Of course, we'll do that in the next video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys real soon. So that's going to conclude this week's video. We did not get to weld the bonnet this week, so we'll do it next week. We did get the as far as getting ready to weld, we got the bonnet supports painted. The next step will be, or should be, welding the fenders to the bonnet and the front, strengthener pieces, as well as the headlight bezel, mounting bezels. That should be the next video. I can't think of anything else that would prevent me from doing that. Next week. The only thing that I'm going to be doing, probably Monday, is getting things, set up to do so. I'm not exactly sure, except to, stick welder to metal and weld it all up. So, anywho, thanks for watching. If you liked today's video, by all means, hit the thumbs up, give us a like. If you want to follow this project, by all means subscribe. If you would like to be notified every time we upload a video, either on this project, the GT6, or any of the other projects that we are working on, hit the notification bell, and that will alert you every time that we upload a video. Pretty productive week, even though we didn't get to weld, but it's coming. So stay tuned for the next video, because we'll probably weld it up next time. Thanks for coming by, thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing and liking and all that good stuff. And we will see you next video. Y'all have a great day. Bye.